what happened now, we're gonna take the glass bottom boat from here, and you're gonna go for a cruise to the coral reef, sightseeing, see what's going on underneath, whether you're somewhere or not. And on the way, we're gonna cruise along, admiring the life. You see the sightseeing of the Moon Palace Hotel, and that's where you see all the dolphins and stuff. So, Molly! White one, that's what's stored the sugar for export. And then the pier there, that's up there, the margarita of the complex island with it.
So the cruise is going to come to
No.
on the other side.
That's perfect, there. But it's also a free beach.
Oh, everybody can come.
Right, as you walked in now, it's not a problem. But if you're gonna use like the chairs or the tables, then you gotta like snap, you gotta like support them. Once you use them, they're bar or the restaurant. But if you just walk in the restaurant, it's all mineral, you know?
Oh, mineral? Is it?
Pull up, just release you for the border. Pull up. Yeah. Yeah. Let me come in, make up me. Wait now.
You take up it?
Take up now. So me say, you know when them guys there, it's such and such, in say, listen, in Kingston they have a board, strong board.
The directors and
Big word tax, in say, tell me say have a board at Kingston.
Yeah.
We just want to go down at 16.
Yeah.
Now them man are talking about us.
So how is it over here though?
Yeah, I'm
Good.
Yeah! The boat's up. Yeah, alright, let's keep up, man. That boat's how much you hold? Remember, Friday again. Dog, I was here, you enjoying yourself, dog?
Yeah, man.
Peace and love, man. We're gonna cruise
Respect.
right along here. That's the Moon Palace Hotel you're looking at right here. Before the Moon Palace, you get the rooms over there. And we're gonna go right along, as you can see, the dolphins. So we'll look at the dolphins. See the dolphins soon. But that's the cruise ship, you know, tourist Jamaica, man. Carnival cruise line. So we're gonna look at the bottom of the ocean down there. You'll see stuff soon.
Let me set up and take a picture, yeah?
See him? Watch this, they just jumping up. See them?
Yeah.
They just kept jumping over.
There's a cruise ship right here.
Yeah. Jumper! How the bottom go? See that one? The bottom one.
Down there.
Ah! See them? Double.
Yeah.
Just miss them for a double jump.
There's a cruise ship here.
Yeah, the Carnival cruise line. You want to smart to move now? Huh? You can't see why I want to smart to move. You can't blame me for that. Remember we're at the beach around there looking at the backside?
Yeah.
That's the place. Down there is the Rios Hotel.
Oh.
The hotel look at.
I was over there.
Yeah?
Go on Jamaica.
Go on Jamaica.
Main man looking at all the fishes and coral. That's where we go snorkeling. We snorkel for an hour, 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Get to see the brain coral, you know. All the fishes we eat, or we catch them, or we cook them.
No,
It's a beautiful day down here, dog.
Yeah, God creation.
You need to
is
come
great.
on down to Jamaica.
Yeah, come over, man.
Yeah. Check out the life, man.
Oh.
Yeah, let's just go. This is
Oh, close to the. Wow, we in the middle, yeah?
Yeah, man. Beautiful right there.
Oh.
And this is where I come to spirit shooting.
I'll take.
Let me say that.
Oh, it's not recording. Yeah, watch out, good.
I think it's on recording still. It's still on recording.
No, it is recording now.
Recording now, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's sugar right now. Yeah, sugar right now. You got the fishy, man.
Yeah, the visual. Oh, yeah.
Coral reef, man.
So, what is the feet here?
Here, about 7 feet.
So it's not that.
No, in the mine, no. Find my record in the mine. No, it's not deep, man. That's where it comes snug. As it go close to the reef, it's shallow right there. That's where we become snorkeling here. If you want to go over and snorkel with them gears, that's where we come close.
But the shark not here?
No, man. Shark, look. Miles out.
Welcome to Jamaica. I'm originally from Africa.
What is that sing song from Africa?
Oh, Lucky Dube?
No. You live in the state.
Oh, Akon?
Yeah, Akon. Yeah, man. Good artist, man.
Yeah, Akon.
Where in Africa?
Ghana.
Big place, huh?
It's a small country, but it's a world. Well, everybody knows it.
Yeah. Bye, check myself. Yeah, man. 100 pounds it up. No, I'm crying. 100 pounds it up. No, I'm crying. I'm selling. Yeah, man. Everything.
For you to look.
True.
So when you're coming back?
I'm not leaving now. I'm leaving the reggae hostel, so I'm more like I'm still around.
Oh. So you're ready to shop here? Remember?
Yeah, that's what.
Okay.
That's my first time coming in. So
What's your name?
my name is Thomas.
Thomas. I'm Caroline.
Okay.
When you're ready to shop, you remember where I am, okay?
So it's more mixed male and female, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
And kids.
Okay. And what's the cheapest price?
Cheapest? You want to buy now, you get the cheapest price?
Hey, we come later.
Huh?
I have to come later. Even if I buy now, I still have to pay you.
Yeah, but you get good credit because you're my first customer.
Unless you put on credit.
Yeah, we have credit cards. You do credit
Yeah.
cards.
What happened? Oh, I'm looking at it because I liked it because I'm from Africa, so it's more like I connected. Yeah. So a few more good prices you making it again? Is it good prices?
Right.
You just let me skim through and see. So all this made by you, yeah? Excuse me. Nah. Yeah, old school. We don't play CDs no more. Nah, I said we don't play CDs no more. So how long have you been here? How long have you been here? You've been doing this?
49 years.
49 years.
This is from my mom to me.
Oh.
So you're taking an interview, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Okay? Good?
What I'm saying.
Mm-hmm.